Fall is officially here, and you know what that means. All the flannel, pumpkins, and all you can drink pumpkin spice lattes. But we're here to talk about Silver Dollar City's Harvest Festival that's going on right now. So
come with us. Hi everyone, welcome back to VA Adventures, and before we get started into this video with the fall harvest, we want to remind you that we are doing a popcorn bucket giveaway next year once we reach 1,500 subscribers. So, yes, that would be 1,500. Tell your friends, tell your family, have them subscribe, and then you guys will have to stick around and find that video whenever it comes up. We will post it everywhere, but you don't want to miss out on it. Okay?
So make sure you're hitting that bell notification button.
Absolutely. That subscribe and bell notification button are very, very important. And if you have not seen it yet, the video where we announced that we're going to do this giveaway is right up here under the Fan Fest reaction video of Silver Dollar City that we had. So, yes, absolutely. Anyway, that being said, Ashley's got a lot of stuff. This is one of her favorite festivals at Silver Dollar City. And lots of pumpkin, lots of other things. We do plan on going very, very soon. And you'll have to stay tuned for that video as well. So anyway, that being said, let's start off here. Ashley, what do we got at the fall harvest for Silver Dollar City?
Well, we are kicking it off with none other than the pumpkins themselves.
Wow, there are so many.
So many. You want to know how many?
Pumpkin overload. Hang on a minute.
You can't have an overload.
I'm gonna guess. 15,000. 16,000. 18,000? More? 19,000? 19,500?
It's over 20,000.
Over 20,000 pumpkins.
And who's going to sit there and count all of those? Like, that's what I want to... Who's been counting?
Somebody's got an inventory. They are a business.
They are.
I don't know if I would like that job or not.
That would be
one pumpkin, two pumpkins.
I wonder if it's like the train robbers
pumpkins.
that can they count
every
that
time every time a train comes through, that's how the inventory.
Yeah.
Well, here's a pumpkin for this year. That'd be funny.
But they don't just have pumpkins; they have giant pumpkins.
They do.
That weigh over 1,000 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that insane? Could you imagine carving that pumpkin?
I couldn't. Like, if I walked out to like my garden and saw something that big out there, I'd be. Who lost an exercise ball?
I would say radioactive. Like it'd grow.
You eat it, you get superpowers. You become pumpkin man or woman.
So, speaking of carving, the master carver, known as Barry Brown, is back.
He's back.
I love his little like show, and he shows you how to carve, shows you how to keep them nice. You know.
Fun fact about Barry Brown.
Yeah.
He also stays around for Christmas time and is part of the carolers and sings with the carolers.
He is. That was so much fun seeing him.
You're like, oh my gosh, it's Barry Brown.
So. He's very sweet, and I love watching his shows. Just to learn more, and he has like good messages that he includes in it. So, and then also Buck Taylor is back. Do you know who Buck Taylor is?
I'm confused on the Buck Taylor part.
Gunsmoke or Yellowstone
actor. Oh, yes. Yep.
And he also paints.
He does paint. He does his own like Western paintings. It's actually pretty neat. We actually did meet him last year and talked to him for a little bit and said, hi, how are you? We didn't make a video over it. We didn't feel like we should. We might this year. So when we go, make sure to comment on this video below. Let us know. And that will...
Maybe. An idea.
Probably make a video.
Yeah. But he's very like nice, easy to approach. He, and just talk
super sweet guy.
So, with that comes the chuck wagons.
Oh yeah,
they're going on
chuck
too.
Wagons are still over there.
So you learn a lot of history regarding chuck wagons and the Wild West and pioneers. And you get to sample some of their food. You get to drink their coffee, which is super strong and grows hair on your chest.
Yep. Yeah, I don't know another way to put that. It's
stout.
Spoon will stand up in that thing.
Oh my, But anyways, they're a really great show to watch, to learn, and then sample some food for sure.
Yeah, 100%.
And following up that food,
following up that food.
The tasting passport.
Ooh, I do love me a good tasting passport.
Mm-mm-mm.
And before we get started on that, if you don't get a tasting passport, you are missing out on possibly the easiest way to save money on food there on your own, or
One
even
of the
as a
best.
people. I mean, honestly, yeah. Honestly, we have gone to several theme parks and tried to get like the dining passes at different places. I mean,
This is my favorite. We've been to several, even major theme
so
parks.
SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, Dollywood. Did Dollywood have one?
Dollywood's is very good too.
Dollywood's about the same. It's basically
Sister
the same.
park.
It's a sister park. It's basically the same as Silver Valley City. I mean, we
Um,
can't really knock that. They're both equal.
Worlds of Fun.
I said Worlds of Fun, Busch Gardens, SeaWorld.
Disney.
Well,
They have a dining plan.
they do have a dining plan. However, that's separating those two
Yeah.
a little bit because their food at Disney is way different than food at Silver Valley City.
Yep.
So I put those in a different category, that and Universal Studios.
Yeah. But
So-
Silver Valley City really does have it genius. Like, they have done so well with this.
I would say when it comes to food, Herschen's parks do the best when it comes to compared to other smaller tiered theme parks.
Yeah.
So, plain and simple.
With this tasting passport, think all pumpkin spice stuff.
Pumpkin flavored,
Apple spice. There's just all those fall
Mhm.
flavors that you're dreaming about throughout the year.
yeah, and something that is only exclusive to the Harvest Festival and the Christmas Festival is the cashew chicken waffle cone.
Yeah, so you need to get it then.
Mm-hmm. Super good.
You only have a few months, really.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
It is. It's, let's see. October, November. Yeah. 3 months.
Start your Christmas shopping.
Yep.
Anyways, it's a great way to sample all of those
Mm-hmm.
autumn harvest festival foods.
Yeah, and to reiterate, if you click up here, here is a thing to 2 years ago's tasting passport. No, last year's.
Yeah.
Last year's tasting passport.
Yeah.
Last year's tasting passport's right up here. If you don't know, 5 items off of that you can get. Do not get the drink. I will hammer that home
Always.
always.
Wasting it.
Use your cup. Take it to them and go, here, I would like this drink and this. You're going to pay like $1 something.
Souvenir
like
cup.
$1.30. Yeah, your souvenir refillable cup. Okay? You don't get specialty drinks out of it, but you do get a discounted price.
All right.
So.
Moving on.
Oh boy.
So
She's
this
serious
is
about this
where
fall
it gets
fest stuff.
even better.
Or fall harvest, sorry.
Anyways, it gets even better because at 5:30 it turns into Pumpkins in the City.
Fuck yeah.
And you know what that means? That means the Pumpkin Plaza opens up. You have
Mhm.
more food options. You get to meet and greet Peter and Vanellope Pumpkin. There is a DJ dance off party.
DJ dance party.
Woo! There's just so many activities going on. There's
Mhm.
face painting. There's all kinds of things going on down there.
Oh yeah.
And it's amazing. But wait, there's more.
Let's wait till that's small.
Foggy Hollow. I
I mentioned that.
love Foggy Hollow.
I just mentioned Foggy Hollow.
You did.
I did.
And
I was
so-
jumping the gun. I apologize.
So with Foggy Hollow, it's like a little teeny tiny spooky, but not scary.
Mm-mm.
And there's fog, obviously.
Mhm.
There's lights, there's sound. It is beautiful. I could walk back and forth several times. I think I did last year.
Yeah.
Because I was really enjoying it.
And I honestly think that I really hope they do something for that with Christmas, and instead of like fog, do like a snow machine through there with all those lights.
Oh, yeah.
Wouldn't that be so cool?
Yeah.
But we're talking fall harvest.
Dollywood.
Sorry, I'm excited about the
Something like
Christmas.
So now we're going to talk about the practical stuff. How much does it cost to get into Silver City and what's going on with all those events?
Mhm.
So with that, if you purchase your ticket in advance, it can start at $79 in
Mhm.
advance, which means 24 hours ahead of time. So
Yep.
not the day, like right when you're there,
Right.
the day before. Okay?
Yeah, they start at 79. They
Mhm.
can be higher, especially on the weekends. I know that they are higher ticket prices.
Which makes sense.
Yep.
So-
I will say that we are going to get some tickets for when we go,
Mhm.
and they're a little higher than $79 just because we didn't renew our season pass this year. But that's okay. We're going to renew it again.
Mhm.
Don't worry.
But on the weekends, you can stay in the park until 10 o'clock. So you're getting extra time there.
You are
So, I
getting a lot
mean,
of
while
extra
it costs a little bit, you're getting extra time if you stay that late.
Yeah, and that could be why it's a little bit more price.
More time to soak in all that fall food, fall lights, fall sights, all the fun.
All the pumpkins, the chicken pumpkins.
Yeah.
I love the chicken pumpkins.
The chicken pumpkins are the best.
They are.
They truly are.
I miss my chicken
I
pumpkins.
really wish. You know what? I want a chicken pumpkin. Why don't they sell those?
Why don't they sell those? That is a good question.
I would
How is
buy
that?
one.
How is that not a plush?
A plush? I don't want a plush. I want it out in my in my yard.
How is that not a plush and something
Yard
you can put in your yard?
A yard decoration is what he means.
Should be a plush too.
So whether you are a pumpkin spice fanatic, just enjoy looking at pumpkins and having that feel, or you want to do a dance off, Harvest Festival is the place to go for Silver City.
I agree. Harvest Festival is one of the funnest festivals to be a part of and experience, and it's just, it really gets you in the mood and ready to go for like looking around and ready for Christmas time.
It gives me that Hallmark feel sometimes. Oh, it does.
Oh man, I don't see that.
He doesn't want to say yes. He just doesn't want to say yes.
Pumpkins don't give me that feel.
Oh, it just gives me that feel. And
you start lighting up them Christmas lights and I'm set.
Okay.
Plain and simple. So, anyway, so is that everything with the fall harvest?
That's a quick catch up.
No shows, nothing special going on.
Nothing super special.
Nothing super special.
I mean, do you even need any more?
I guess not. That's true, I guess. My bad. Okay. Well, anyway, that is all that we've got for the fall harvest there at Silver Dollar City. We look forward to experiencing it. And
we're super
if you
excited.
guys see us, come say hi. Don't forget that if you really want to be put into that popcorn bucket giveaway, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button,
so that you guys don't miss out on any more of our theme park news, videos, or even that little giveaway. Because, hey, it's a brand new thing, and who wouldn't want to have the first popcorn bucket at Silver Dollar City? Anyway, with that,
bring on the next adventure.
bye, guys.